Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. And today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Belle Bottom as a dragon. And this character is from the Minions Rise of Gru movie. So let's get started. I'm going to start now. I probably won't fit this entire dragon on our page, and that's okay. Not every drawing has to be the full body form, so we'll see what we can fit. But I'm going to start with an eye. I'm going to start with this kind of shape. And now I'm going to do a little curve here on the inside and a little bottom one too. And then a little curve, a little U-shaped curve on the bottom, and a circle, and a little itty bitty circle in behind that one. This one's all black. And I'm gonna do great big eyelashes. So 1, 2, 3. So these are pretty thick. I'm going to thicken up this lid here too. Okay, so now let's do the second eye. So we're going to make it a little bit different, but it's still going to be pretty much the basic shape of what we did over here. So we're going to do the inside, a little curve there, a little bottom curve, and I'm going to put circle there, and the inside one all black there, and then those great big eyelashes. So 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to make this top part here a bit thicker, a little bit darker, and over here too. All right, next let's do a long line going down that way, like that. And we can do a little bump here and a little bump right there. And over here, we can do a great big upside down U. And then we kind of got a hill here. And we're gonna come on along this way until we get to right here. We're going to do a big, long, squiggly line, kind of a whisker. And then we're going to follow that line we just made to do the bottom part of it. And bring it all the way back to where we started. Okay, so we got one great big long whisker. Now we are going to continue that line we were doing. It's going to come across here on the front of the mouth, and we can do a nostril, and we're going to make it a little bit curvy, a little bit of a squiggle, like that. And we can turn this one into a squiggle too. Big curvy squiggle. And now we're going to line the bottom of this hill of the mouth that we've been working on. Like that. And now we can come on down, and the mouth is going to be wide open. So before we continue with the mouth here, with the rest of the lip and stuff, let's do some teeth. So lots of sharp, pointy teeth. Some are big, some are small. And we can have some on the top too. I'm going to put some big ones here in the front. right, so now let's draw a tongue in between all of these teeth. And I kind of have it curving upward, but it's kind of hard to see between all these teeth, but it's there. Okay, so now let's draw a little line here and another little line for the other side of the mouth. Now let's follow this line and connect it here, curve on in. And now I'm going to do a line here, connect it to there, and the mouth is all done. So I'm going to bring this line up a little bit, kind of towards those eyelashes we did earlier. And I'm going to do a little curve right here and a little line going down this way, and we're going to have a few bumps, a few little bumps going all the way down. And now let's do some fluffy I was gonna say fluffy hair, but I guess it's hair. Dragon hair. So we've got lots of like spiky bits, and we can kind of put it all over like that. And now we've got some horns. So I'm curving up. So we kind of have almost like a candy cane kind of shape here, but we're going to continue on, and it's going to get bigger and do another kind of a curve, and then come on back in. And then we're going to do same on the other side. So it's going to curve inward facing the other curve. And bring it on back in. So we've got those horns done, and now we can start working on the shape of the body. So I'm just kind of making it kind of snaky all along and whatnot. All right, so let's bring this line down too. It's kind of getting a bit thicker the further down we're going. And I'm going to put a line this way, or coming down this way too. And now we can do some lines going across. Like that. And now we can continue with this spiky, floofy, flowy dragon hair. And we're going to continue that all the way down. Like that. And remember that big whisker we made earlier? Well, we need one for the other side of the face too. So let's start with that. I'm going to come on over this way and kind of have it here in the back. So I'm going to follow along that line. And now it's kind of in behind. All right, so we are finished our sketch, and now I'm going to get started with the coloring. All right, folks, we are finished our drawing of Belle Bottom as a dragon. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!